W.E.B. Du Bois' collection of essays called Dark Water. And it is the space to stretch their arms and their souls. You cannot believe me green, passionately swelled with an ecological love. Tree huggers and Rachel Carson, environmentalists only come in Caucasian, huh? Yet I was raised via the Arboretum and Agriculture departments. As you say, red bricks and asphalt, see only weeds. Tupac shouts out that rose that grew from concrete. Mom and dad, black hippies, loved there, sung the praises of a pantherish Belafonte as they hummed Dylan, Ledbetter, and Odetta. The only mall for me was a grassland where I shopped grasshoppers, honeybees, and four-leaf clover. Honeysuckle nibbled and sipped when it had reached the ripe yellow. Learned on hikes with mama. Minnows netted at the pond spawned naturalist memories. Escapes from the inner urban. Just down the street, a national oasis. Corn, beans, and collards are not grown just to be eaten and called soul food for nothing. Little city plots and bread thrown through a raised screen, first floor apartment window. Count the harvest, the birds that come. Jays, crows, cardinals, starlings, and sparrows excite heart, flight amongst the azaleas and evergreens.